Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you how to make your own alcohol inks and how to make this marble design with those alcohol inks. So if you're interested in this design, then just keep watching. I got these Piñata alcohol inks and these empty nail polish bottles, both from Amazon, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below in case you guys are interested in purchasing these. It also comes with this little mini funnel and the little mixing balls that go inside of the polish bottles. I'm only going to be using 9 of these polish bottles that come in this pack. You're going to have some left over, which is actually really good, so that way you can mix and match a couple different colors together and customize your own colors, which is a really fun option to play around with. You do not have to use these little mixing balls that go inside of the polish bottles. I'm just choosing to do so because before you use these alcohol inks, they do have to be shaken up pretty good, and putting these inside is going to help that shaking process a little bit easier for me. This first color that I'm going to be using is magenta. It's just a really pretty, vibrant pink color. And I'm just going to carefully flip this upside down and pour almost to the top, but not fully to the top. The reason for this is because I will be adding a little bit of rubbing alcohol to thin out the alcohol inks just a little bit more. I'm only using a couple of drops. You really don't need a lot. After you place the lid on, you have to make sure that you shake it really, really good. And there you go, you have your very own alcohol inks. This color is called Sunbright Yellow. This one is Rainforest Green. Calabaza Orange. Rich Gold. So this one I actually did not add any additional rubbing alcohol to, only because the consistency was already pretty watery. So for this black color, I also did not add any rubbing alcohol to it to dilute it. I didn't want to take away from how strong this black color actually was. Baja Blue. This one's also a really, really pretty blue color. Passion Purple. And white. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did not like the way this white nail turned out, so I did not film the white one or the yellow one. They did not come out to be my favorite, but I did leave them in here so you could see how they ended up coming out. The white just was super thick and hard to work with. It almost felt more of like an acrylic paint versus a alcohol ink. Now I'm going to be going in with my CND Shellac in color Cream Puff. I did already pre-buff these and add a base coat. Now I'm just adding the first coat of white, curing them for 1 minute, and then I'm going to go in with a second coat of white. Now I'm going to use my dampen dish and fill it with just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I'm just placing the alcohol ink in random spots on this nail, and then I'm going to be using my gel brush that I got from Amazon, dipping it into the rubbing alcohol and just kind of working in that color. You guys, there is no right or wrong way to do this. You're just gonna keep playing around with this until you're getting your desired look. If you need to add more ink, and then you can thin it out with the rubbing alcohol. You're just gonna work it in until you get the desired look that you're trying to achieve. These alcohol inks were actually surprisingly really easy to work with, so even if you're a beginner, these are gonna work really, really good for you. So here's the finished look of the magenta color. I really, really like the way these ones came out. Here's the finished look of the forest green color. I really like the way this orange one came out. And this black is probably my favorite one out of all of them. This gold color was one of the colors I did not add any additional rubbing alcohol to. I first did a design on a white nail, and then I also did one on a black nail, so you guys can see both options. I really like the way both came out, but you guys let me know what your thoughts are. Here's the yellow one that I did off of camera. I actually ended up redoing it twice and I did not super love it. I think that I should have used a darker background. Either way, it just didn't marble very well for me. And then here is the second option for the gold. This is on top of the black background. I like them on both backgrounds, but you guys let me know which one you like better. And I saved the worst for last. This white just also was not marbling for me. The more I worked with it, the worse it got. It just felt super thick, like acrylic paint. It also could be that I did not add any additional rubbing alcohol to the bottle in the beginning, so I might try this again. I don't know, it just was not my favorite. Okay, so here is the lineup of all of the marble colors one more time. Let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite, and let me know if you guys like watching these watch me work videos, because if you do, I will make more. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.